We need to find ft for the following fs transform. This is the Laplace transform. We were given that transform, and now we need to find our f of t. We're given 4 possible outcomes. We're going to go through how to solve this. So we know from differential equations to solve for something like this with Laplace, we are going to have a divided by the first part of the denominator, which is s plus 1. We're going to have plus b divided by our s plus 2. And then we're going to have plus c divided by s plus 3. So these are all of the different possibilities that we can have. And now all we are going to do is look at the equation table that is provided in the notes linked below the like button. On page 50, there is a function transform table for Laplace pairs. And we can see that what we have here, and for our b and for our c, looks something like 1 over s plus a, and this is equal to an e negative at. So now we are going to solve for this. We can plug this in to all of our known parts. We are going to have an a, and then we are going to have an e negative t. This is going to be a plus b. We are going to have an e negative 2t. We are then going to have a plus c with an e negative 3t. So those are what we're going to get once we substitute this in for here. So this is our equation right here. What we need to do is find a, b, and c. So we're going to go back to here. We are going to use parentheses because we are going to multiply everything by s plus 1, s plus 2, and s plus 3. This is going to give us 18s squared plus 66s plus 54, and this is going to be equal to a. We're going to have s plus 2, s plus 3, we're going to have a plus b, then we're going to have our s plus 1, s plus 3, plus c, where we have an s plus 1, and then an s plus 2. And we can use simple math to solve for our a, b, and c. And that is going to look like this. So we have our a, we have our b, and we have our c once we've substituted values in for all of our s's. Now we can plug our a, b, and c back into the equation that we've circled in red, or we've squared off in red. So in here, our a is going to be 3, our b is 6, and our c is 9. So knowing this, let's look at the possible answers we have. We know it's not going to be a, it's not going to be b, and it's not going to be d, so it's going to be c. C is our answer. There is one part that's unaccounted for, and that's this u of t. We are solving an f of t. We are dealing with time, and u of t is dealing with time. So this should really be in brackets, and we'll have a u of t when we're dealing with Laplace and things like that. So that is how you would go about solving this problem.